Hey there, I'm Rahul Goenka, founder and director at RG Marketing Services. Welcome to our channel where we will dive into mastering ad management platforms like Google Ads, Meta Ads, Bing Ads, and more. Hit subscribe and let's dive in. Hey everyone, Rahul here from RG Marketing Services. Today I want to talk to all you business owners and marketers about a crucial tool for your online advertising strategy. And yes, that is Google Keyword Planner. Now imagine if you own a dental clinic or an online coaching service or any business for that matter. You want to reach more people who are actively searching for services like yours on Google or Bing or any search engine. That's where Google Keyword Planner comes in, especially for Google Ads. This tool helps you find the average bid or cost per click rate for showing ads on Google search for your desired keywords. But why is that important? Well, knowing the average bid or CPC rates gives you insights into the competitiveness of your chosen keywords. It helps you understand how much you might need to invest to get your ad in front of your target audience. Let's say you are a dental clinic owner. You want to advertise your teeth whitening services. By using Google Keyword Planner, you can see how much others are bidding for keywords related to teeth whitening. This will help you set a realistic budget for your ad campaign. You can also discover new keyword ideas and see their search volume trends over time. This data is gold for refining your ad strategy and maximizing your ROI. So if you want to make the most out of your Google Ads budget and ensure your ads reach the right audience, dive into Google Keyword Planner today. Don't forget to drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, share it with other businesses in your network and let's help each other grow. And remember, if you're feeling overwhelmed with keyword planning and search ads, don't worry. We've got your back. Whether you are a dental clinic or an online coaching service or any other business, we are here to help you. Just visit www.rgmarketingservices.com and fill out our inquiry form. Share your budget and your goals for leads or sales, and we will tailor an ad campaign just for you. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.